I've been out here. Actually, I've been out the last few weeks practicing since I'm still fairly new at this wood turning. I decided I better practice a little bit since I haven't done any real wood turning since February. But it's cooling off. I'm feeling better, having a few back problems and some other sicknesses that were just kind of making it difficult to be out here. But we're going to try again. I've got a piece of acacia wood here that I found in one of the local lumber stores, and we're going to give that a turn. And I'm going to incorporate some copper wire I've got. I'm not sure quite how I'm going to do that yet, but that's going to be the current plan, is to incorporate the copper wire into this turning and see if we can do something new and interesting. So if you'll give me a little bit to get suited up, we'll get at this. Well, I wanted to show putting this in, but I think my medium super glue, which is what I was trying to use, is getting a little more than medium at this point. Probably need to buy some fresh. It's just been sitting around since February, so it was a little hard and a lot to manipulate, and so I had to do a lot of work to get the glue all the way around and then to get the copper to set in there. It's pretty good. It could be better in my opinion, but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna turn this flat to be flush with the lip and see how that goes. Hopefully it doesn't come flying out of there and poking someone in the eye, even though I'm wearing a shield. Well, this is probably somewhat appropriate since I haven't been turning much lately. And there's more missing. I was trying to use a scraper to smooth out the insides of it, and I just probably pushed too hard, as typical. I tend to get too far ahead of it. I so anticipated at the top. I'd already gotten a catch here, so I was already gonna have to deal with that. And the wire groove I'd made for the wire had to go away, and so I didn't know I think I was just gonna go without the wire at this point. But at this point, we're gonna go without the bowl because I kind of screwed that up. So we're gonna call this a complete loss because I have pretty much just destroyed it. And I think this is probably a little thin too. It just kept having to dig down and kept digging too much and just wasn't doing it right. So, well, I was looking forward to getting a piece of acacia wood under my belt. I guess I'll have to go see if they got any more at the store. Anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by and taking a look. Like, subscribe, share if you like. This definitely, I'm sorry I wasn't recording. I was just going to scrape it real quick because I was almost done after the last pass you saw, and I was just going to scrape it out a little bit. As you can see, it was hopping really bad, and it just wasn't going to do what I needed it to do. All right, y'all come back and we'll give it another try.